Hey, ever heard of EZfare? EZfare is a mobile app that makes paying your bus fare super convenient and offers you the lowest fare guaranteed. And now, with EZfare's new Tap and Ride feature, riding the bus has never been easier. Just download the EZfare app, add funds to your account, or buy tickets, and then tap and ride every time you board the bus. EZfare works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Download the EZfare app, available on both Apple and Android. Step 2. Log in or sign up for an account. Step 3. Add funds to simply tap and ride, or buy tickets for your transit system to use anytime. Step 4. Tap and ride. You only pay for the trips you take. The more you ride, the more you save. EZfare is that easy. Don't have a mobile device? No problem. EZfare cards are available for use as well. There is no need to purchase tickets in advance, and no need for exact change. Just download the EZfare app, tap, ride, and save. EZfare offers the lowest fare guaranteed. Get EZfare today. It's the easy way to pay.